Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm your designing developer. My name is Inshal. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Like in previous project, we have learned that how to build custom map creator with HTML and CSS, and I hope you all enjoyed that project. Now in this project, we will learn that how to improve speed of a website with CSS only, and I hope you will also enjoy this project like you're enjoying my previous project of HTML and CSS. So let's start. Now here you can see this website like previously I have shown you. Okay, so over here in this website I will just do one thing like previously we have done, like I have just make the print. Okay, so I just make this website print. Okay, so print friendly I will just make that like that, if you know. Okay, so today I will just do like I will just make this website like reload. Okay, so when we reload, so it is just taking so much not reload, it is just going quickly. Okay, here you can see when I'm reloading it is just going really quickly. Okay, but if I just reload this huge website without CSS, we have just do that. Okay, it is demo one. Okay, but if I just show you without reload, so it will be just take many loading over here. Okay, and it will be just coming in many time. But when we just written this CSS one, which I will just tell you in this video, so you will be just going like your website will be just reloading quickly. Okay, so just I will close that so you can be seen my website. Okay, so over here you can see I have just created one CSS file, so I will just only work with CSS like I have telling you. So I have just created this CSS file which is called speed.css. okay, over here. So over here with this file I will do like I will just only write CSS, and I will just link this CSS sheet with my personal portfolio website which I have made it, and then when I will just reload that, so it will be just reload quickly and it will be not any loading or anything over there. Okay, so I will just show you how to do. So first of all you have to come over here, and like previously we have written our media tag, so today I will also write that. So I will just not write that because previously I was just erased the tag. Okay, so because of that there were coming errors, so because of that I am not using that one tag. Okay, like previously we have just used the classes. Okay, so I will just use that. So I will just write skill, but I will just use another classes. Okay, so I will just use skill and skill one, then I will just use many other classes which was in our personal portfolio website which we have made it. Okay, so over here I will just write the class of like dot skill, and now in this class I will just define like how should I want my loading page. Okay, so my loading page I want just randomly, and I will just write one pic solid white. Okay, because I want its border white over here. Okay, so over here I will just do like that, and it should be like page, and it should be break after, and it should be auto. Okay, and you can also avoid that page break before. Okay, so I will avoid page break before, I will avoid that, and I will just come over here and I will just define another thing which is called justify content. I will just take it into center. Okay, but it will be just center of the tab when we reload. Okay, so it will be not center of the page. Okay, so here I will write align item center. Okay, and over here I will just write like display flex, and over here I will just write another thing which is called like padding. So padding should be 13 pixel like previously we have written. Then margin top you can also write, but I will just only write margin which will be auto. Okay, and over here I will just write another thing which will be width 100%, height 100 vh. Okay, so width should be also 100 vh. Okay, so it should be just not any difference between width and height, and it should be just good looking. Okay, so over here I will just do like that, and just I will do another thing. I will just take it the background. Okay, so I want the background dark. Okay, I will write dark. I will not write the dark, I will just write black. Okay, so I will just do like that. I will backspace over here, and over here I will just write skill 1. Okay, so I will write skill 1, then I will write over here again, I will just write first of all padding, and I will just write the padding of 20 pixel, and margin bottom I will write. Okay, because I want this space from bottom 20 pixel. Then I will write flex wrap. Okay, so this is really important tag. Okay, if you are doing that, so I will just write flex wrap. Then over here you have to do another thing which is called like width. Okay, so I will just change its width to 100% again, and height. Okay, so I will just change it to 100% over here, and height also should be 100%. Okay, so I will just do like that. I will come over here and I will just define another thing which is called right. So right I want 0, then I want the left 50%, then I will also write the top 50%. So I will just do like that, and I will just write the bottom 0. Okay, because I don't want bottom in here, I will just do like that, and I will just do another thing which is called display flag, which is really important to write over here. Okay, so I will just do like that and write margin again, which should be now auto. It should be not auto, it should be inherit. Okay, so I will write inherit, and now here I will write align items again, which should be center. Okay, and over here I will write justify content, but it should be space between. Okay, space between. I will just do like that, and now here we have just done our work till over here. Okay, so here I have just written justify content space between over here, and now here you have to do one thing, like come over here and write again background, but now I also want the background over here of dark. Okay, so I will just write 3 zeros, and I will just do one thing, I will copy these all things, and I will write over here dot skill, and over here I will write before, then I will just paste these all things, then I will come over here, write dot skill, and I will write after, then I will come and paste all things over here. Just I will not do anything, just I will copy these both things. Okay, so I will copy these both things over here, and I will just I will copy this again. Okay, because it was just not copied, these things. So I will just do one thing, like I will come over here and I will just copy this thing. Okay, so I will just do like that, copy that again, and come over here and paste that. Okay, so here you have to just change it skill to skill 1, like we have just defined the class, and now here we have just done our work till over here. Okay, so here you have to do one thing, just now it is good. Okay, so now it is good enough over here, and now here I will just save. Okay, so here you have to do another thing, come over here, write footer, because I have also used the footer text. So in footer I will just write over here background black. Okay, so I will write background 00, and border should be 1 pixel solid, and it should be white. Then here it should be animation of 20 s, then linear, and now I will write infinite over here, and I will just do like that. Okay, so now it is good enough. So over here you have to do another thing. Okay, so just write 0, because in background we have just written 2 zeros, and over here when you have done that all, come over here, write transition. Okay, like previously we have written transition should be 0.2 s, then come over here, and now here you have to write another thing. Okay, so right over here. Okay, so now here when you have done that all things till over here. Okay, so now we have done till over here, I will write header. Okay, so just erase that and come over here, write header, and write over here again background black, and over here just again write 0, and now over here you have to write border. Okay, so border should be 1 pixel solid white, then over here animation, but animation should be different, 2s it should be, and here it should be linear, and it should be infinite. Okay, so I will just do like that, come over here, write transition, right over here 0.5s now. So just you have to do till over here, save from here, and now here you have to just change its border. Okay, so I will just change it to black, save from here, and now if I show you over here. Okay, so just you have to close that, and you have to just do one thing, you have to just open that. Okay, so I will just go to my I have made it my personal portfolio website. So now here you can see. Okay, when it is just reloading, it is not reloading really much. Okay, here you can see now it is just going really faster. Okay, if I just gone in about us, and now when I'm reloading, here you can see it is just going into first page, and it is just reloading really faster. Okay, here you can see that. Okay, so like that you can just improve the speed of your website. Okay, so or you can also like that you can also improve your speed of a web page or anything you want to. Okay, so like that you can just improve your speed of website. Okay, so I hope you understand this project, and I hope you will also enjoy this project like you were enjoying my previous project of HTML and CSS. So just you have to practice these all project we are working with. Okay, so this was just with the CSS one, and I hope you will enjoy this first CSS project. I hope you all also enjoying my all previous one, and I hope you will enjoy that one which will be coming in future. So I will just meet you in next project. So for today, goodbye.